a Lux Air or a York. For some reason that inducer motor sounds really loud. And we're going to check and see if there's a choke in the back of that motor. Because originally these came with, hold on a second. Originally these came with clear collector boxes and they had chokes you had to put in the motor. If I remember right. It looks like that collector box has been changed. I don't think that's original. That inducer motor definitely was changed. Because I'm seeing inducer motor parts. Boards. Just parts all over. So I wonder, when we're having like an intermittent problem with heat, I wonder if there's a choke sitting behind that inducer motor that shouldn't be there, because when you put the new collector box on, you got to take the choke out. But I think he took the choke off the old motor and put it on the new motor, but we're going to find out. Okay, I got the inducer motor off, and when they went from the old collector box to the new collector box, they changed the holes, and you were supposed to leave that choke out because the hole is already there, so it makes it super loud, and you run into intermittent pressure switch issues. Seeing if they got for the control board. He threw the parts cannon at it. Didn't pay attention, and I understand people doing the stuff themselves. Let me get that out of there. Oh, and when I got it out, you know what I'm freaking gonna do. But I still can't get it on there. You're kidding me. Wow. The engineers at York, job security. You know, this guy didn't get fired. Alright, let me clean this flame sensor. Get that inducer back on there. What a joke. Let's see what we got. Got that. And that matches that perfectly. I don't think it would really matter, but it makes a huge noise issue. Alright, we're starting back up here. Got everything tightened up. Got that choke taken out. Got the flame sensor done. The burners should be replaced, so I'm going to recommend that because we're on propane. I already checked my manifold pressure. I'm right where I should be. And I need to turn the gas valve on. That would help. Because I had an intermittent issue. I think it was also outside. I had a screen partially plugged with snow because I had a screen on the intake. No, it's acting up. Oh, there it comes. It's a little quieter. Not much, little. just minor stuff on this one. We had the intake partially plugged, and that inducer motor choke that was in there, I don't think that was a big deal, but you never know, it could have been. Chasing intermittent problems. So we got that done. Check the gas pressure, clean the flame sensor. It's running, so that's all I'm going to do on this one, and just recommend the burners be replaced. Also, we had, let me switch camera. When they replaced the inducer motor, they didn't tie the wires up. You can see something was scraping. So I tied the wires up, but that hot wire was rubbing up against right there. Hot wire is rubbing up against the, what you want to call it, I gotta get another tie on there, right there. Tie everything back up so I don't rub any wires. It doesn't want to cooperate. So I'll tie that up. But I think that's going to do it for this one. Not a big deal. Simple, well, not simple service call, just chasing intermittent problems. Alright guys, I will see you on the next one.